Today's episode is 98 reacts to Shark Puppet Snore gets replaced with number block 92 Snore, but she destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 98 here. I'm going to react to Shark Puppet Snore gets replaced with number block 92's Snore. Well, at the video Shark Puppet plays my talking Angela, he acted the way how dorking Ben snores while reading the newspaper, which got me laughing so hard. But suddenly, Choni is here to ruin the fun with number block 92's retarded snore. Man, this replacement is going to suck because Shark Puppet has done very good on his snore acting. Now it will be replaced thanks to Choni. But anyways, let's attack it. Hey Choni, it seems like you replaced Shark Puppet's talking Ben snore acting with number block 92's snore. Well, it's time to detonate you with a TNT. Serves you right for replacing Shark Puppet snore. The screen is black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 235.